Bought something on Amazon that didn't work out, whether it's the wrong size, defective, or just not what you expected, returning an item on Amazon is, in 2025 is easier than ever. Here's a simple step by step guide to get your refund fast. Step one, go to your orders in your Amazon account. You can find this at the top right of the homepage once you're logged in. Step two, find the item you want to return, then click return or replace items. Step three, Amazon will ask you why you're returning it. Select the reason from the drop down, like no longer needed, item defective, or wrong item received. Step four, choose how you want to return it. Amazon usually offers multiple return options like dropping it off at a nearby UPS store, Amazon Locker, or scheduling a pickup. In many cases, no box or label is needed. Now you just show the return QR code from your email or app. Step five, pack the item if needed. Go to the return location and scan your QR code. That said, Amazon will process your refund as soon as the return is scanned for or reaches their facility. Pro tip, keep an eye on your email. Amazon offers refunds within 1 to 3 days, sometimes even before the item is received if it's handled through their advanced return system. Returning an Amazon item is now a frictionless step by step process. No printer, no stress, no long wait times. Follow for more simple Amazon how to's and saving tips that make online shopping way easier in 2025.